Hello! What is so special about this Oriental rug? The combination between the wool, the cotton, and the silk make this rug very royal. Special rug, Persian rug, beautiful, high quality, simply a piece of art. Simply beautiful. I love it. If you look at this one here, all the details and everything's in it make the rug something to admire, because making a picture like this, it takes 2 years. 7 ladies sitting on a row and working like this for 2 years to finish this artwork. Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I am the owner of PetPeePee. Originally, I am a wildlife photographer. I came from Israel as a wildlife photographer, and all my life I had dogs, and I love nature. I published the book Desert Birds of Israel in 1986, and I have several exhibitions here in downtown Fort Lauderdale, in the main library and many other places of the Everglades. You're welcome to look the link below, my artwork. So, when I came from Israel, I realized that I cannot make a living anymore by photographer. And I have to support my family, and I fell to the carpet cleaning industry. I realized that cleaning Oriental rug, especially a silk Oriental rug, everybody clean it as wall-to-wall carpet. I would like to show you what I'm talking about. Take a look at this piece. Look how shiny, look how beautiful it's looking. This is a silk Oriental rug. Stay. Good boy. This is a silk Oriental rug, a Persian rug. Beautiful piece. Then the lady said to me, Martin, if you cannot clean it, simply throw it away. Some people don't have appreciation for the art. I love Oriental rug. I love nature. So I build the XpetPee machine, and I also build and I put together a cleaning product from my hometown, Israel, Jerusalem. And the Dead Sea Cleaner is my secret recipe to clean the art on the floor. I clean it without depositing any unpleasant smell into the rug, because 90% of my cleaning process, the rug that I receive from the customer, are saturated with the urine odor. Really bad. The dog pee on it, they try all kind of cleaning product until they give up and they said, you know what? I have to find somebody that is specialized to clean urine odor. This is what I'm looking for. They search on Google, my video came out, and they look at my video and they realize that I am the only one that can save the rug from going to the dumpster. And this is how I got so many reviews on Google. So, when you're having a beautiful rug like this, or a silk rug like this, or a beautiful rug like this here, and it's saturated with the urine odor, you want to clean it with the cleaning product, then it is odor free. Because if you shampoo your hair with a shampoo that contains nasty smell, your hair for the whole 2 days, 3 days will smell unpleasant, and it will drive you crazy. So to avoid it, most of the women, this is what I know, when they go to buy a laundry detergent, they open it, they smell the laundry. No, I didn't like the smell. They close it. They go to other cleaning product. They didn't choose the laundry detergent by the performance. They choose by the odor. Most of the women. However, when you clean your Oriental rug, it's so difficult to wash a half inch thick, tied wool Oriental rug with the silk, and to rinse it through the rug and pull all the shampoo, the detergent, the cleaning product, the PP, whatever it's in it. Very, very difficult, because nobody cleaned the Oriental rug through the rug. Think about it. Washing the Oriental rug have to be done through the rug, because you're washing it. You don't wash it on a surface or you wash it on the bottom. You have to wash it through the rug. And this is the benefit of my cleaning process. I clean Oriental rug through the rug. The Oriental rug on the floor, I flood it from the top, I vacuum from the bottom, again and again and again through the rug. This is how I rinse all the cleaning product. Then the other Oriental rug cleaner try to clean this rug and fail because it still smells. This is how I remove all the soap, detergent, Chanel 5, Estee Lauder that you already apply on the rug. This is the secret to clean the rug the right way. And more, because I never use a scrubber. You know this machine that make it on the rug? Think about it. If you go to the hairdresser, and the hairdresser will do like this one to your hair, and then will say, I'm going to shampoo it, and I'm going to do like this one to your hair. Would you like me to come to your house like this one and give you estimate? No. But this is going to happen to you when you send your Oriental rug, this beautiful silk wool Oriental rug, to Oriental rug cleaner. This is what happened to the rug, because the scrubber will break down the fiber, open it, and pull some of them. Suddenly you start see some sticky fiber coming out all over the rug. This is the result of scrapping or scrubbing. Oriental rug, it's a piece of artwork. Respect it. Enjoy the beauty of it. How beautiful it is when you open the rug like this on the floor, and all the furniture and everything surrounding the rug harmoniously give you a good feeling. When you look at the rug like this one, and the color from the red move to the blue, I'm sorry, when the color move from here to here, upset you. Of course, because a rug like this one costs $12,000. It will upset me too. PetPeePee. I clean Oriental rug and guarantee in writing, never color on, no fuzziness, and never deposit any unpleasant smell into your rug. You pay me to remove all the odor, and this is what I'm here for. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Enjoy my artwork at the end of the video. I appreciate for watching PetPeePee video. You have a good day.
it to